K&A Manufacturing manufactures office furniture and office furniture accessories. Our primary customer is our other brand name called RightAngle. I am Bill Knighton. I'm the president of K&A Manufacturing. The company started back in 1985, back in my garage. We started manufacturing ergonomic products to prevent wrist injuries within the office workplace. Back in 2004, we built a 30,000 square foot manufacturing facility. In 2014, we added another 30,000 square feet of manufacturing space.
I am Beth Knighton, and my job title is Vice President in Human Resources. We do run a very clean and lean operation. It is fun, it's creative, it's a place where you can express your ideas, you can bounce things off of other people and collaborate. Everyone's work here is valued. Everyone here is vital.
My name is Dean, and my job title is Plant Manager. As a plant manager, I do a variety of jobs. I do material planning, supervising of the people, making sure the flow of the product from the beginning to the end through the whole company.
My name is Derek. I'm a lead. As a lead, I coordinate with all the employees to help us just get the jobs done.
My name is Luke Berry, and I am a machine operator here at K&A. I take care of the edge banding inside of the wood shop here and get a lot of tops out to customers.
I'm Marlon McGuire, and I work in maintenance. You break it, I fix it. There's equipment that gets used and gets wore out, bearings are replaced. It's a whole gamut of everything and anything throughout the building.
My name is Nicholas Schlichting. I am an assembler here at K&A. I put together any of the legs for our sit-stand bases, applying the mechanisms inside with the spindles, and basically just getting them ready to ship out so they can be built on site by the customer.
My name is Kay Bros, and I work in shipping. I do skids. I put together like the big orders, or I run stuff through FedEx, and I get everything processed so that it can be shipped out.
At K&A Manufacturing, I kind of make it a point for me to know each one of our employees' names and to not treat them like a number. Our company and our employees, we treat more like family because we started from such a small company in the beginning.
The atmosphere here is more of a family type atmosphere. You're not a number. Everyone here knows you, they care about you, and when you are not here, you are missed, not just because of your work, but also because of who you are. Because we are a small company, we do have a lot more flexibility than some of the larger companies. Some of the things that we are able to provide would be more flexible type hours, working around family and home life, making the balance between the two much more comfortable.
My favorite things about working here is the first shift and the flexible hours. It's a fun place to work, and it's a good environment, and it's kind of like family here.
The atmosphere and the friendly environment is great. Everybody really cares about each other. The schedule is great. It gives you enough balance with home life and work life.
Flexibility is great. They try to work with me with what I have going on.
They're concerned about their employees just as much as themselves, whereas some companies are just concerned about their company and their company's success.
One of the best things about working here is the work environment and the people around me. The variety of things that I get to do every day is different.
The manner of being able to excel as yourself to the point where you can basically get things done that need to be done in your own way.
Those who have ambitions to do new things, to learn new technology, to work on new equipment, we assist them with education that way. We give them the hands-on for it as well. It's up to them. However far they want to go, we're willing to help them.
I started working here through a temp agency, and shortly after I was hired. I worked in wood shop, metal shop, shipping, basically all over the place. We were so busy at one point that I was approached by management and was offered a lead position.
I started out on the floor, working out in the shop. We spot welded, we cut, we formed. I even did some welding. Then I also did the assembling. So once we assemble, then we would also do the shipping. So I was part of pretty much every job involved. There's always opportunity to grow within myself and grow within the company.
I'm not really looking for someone who just wants a job. When we're hiring, I want someone who's looking for a work home, is kind of how I describe it, and someone who really wants to make this a place where they want to be and grow. We are all here working together. People do not work for me. They do not work for him. They work with us.
We truly feel that everyone here is part of the K&A Manufacturing family.